Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1990 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the diagram. The diagram is RC phase shift oscillator, and we know that one RC phase shift will be consisting of 3 RC networks. Okay, and the given values of C is equal to 0.01 microfarad. HIE is nothing but input impedance of common emitter transistor, so that is 2 kilo ohms, and R value is given as 1 kilo ohm on the diagram. Okay, with biasing circuit for the transistor, we are going to calculate what is the minimum value of HFE required and frequency of oscillations generated by this RC phase shift oscillator. RC phase shift oscillator is a low frequency oscillator which generates the frequencies in the range of kilohertz, that too below 10 kilohertz, and generally this is going to be treated as RC, and this is R, and it is C. So this will be treated as feedback network. Okay, feedback network is nothing but which also consisting of, this is one more R it requires. That R you will get not from this 4K. This first R, second R are going to be external resistors, and the third R is going to be treated as, third R you will get parallel combination of 4K and 4K, that we can say it as RB in parallel with HIE. So R is equal to, RB is nothing but 4 parallel 4, 4K parallel 4K in parallel with HIE is nothing but 2K. So that is nothing but 4 parallel 4 is nothing but 2, 2 parallel 2 is nothing but 1K. So this is what the R value you will get. So for this third RC network, the R is going to be calculated from these two biasing networks along with the internal HIE. That HIE is given as 2 kilo ohms, such that the R value is going to be satisfied. So this is an amplifier which uses 3 RC networks of equal value, and each is going to be providing 60 degrees phase shift, such that the feedback network is introducing 180 degrees phase shift, and this common emitter stage introduces one more 180 degrees phase shift. So 180 degrees plus 180 degrees total will become 360 degrees, which is nothing but required criteria for the oscillations to be produced. Okay, they are known as Barkhausen criteria. And since the question is given in GATE 1990s, at that time the questions are going to be lengthy questions, 5 marks questions each. For that one we need to derive the equations, derivations we have to do. But nowadays it is asking only for 1 mark or 2 mark. It doesn't require the derivation. What you require is nothing but remembering the formulas. You can get the derivation from any textbook. Okay, so what I am interested in is nothing but what is the final conclusion I am going with. It is generating the frequency of oscillations. So generally, one more important point, generally RC and R will not be same, but here in this question RC and R is going to be given as same, but in general RC is not equal to R, so we will write it as K times of R. In all the textbooks this is a notation used. RC is equal to K times of R, because we don't require many more unknowns, so that RC is also are expressing in terms of R, so the value of K is nothing but RC by R. Okay, so in general RC value, that is collector resistance value, is not same as the resistance present in the RC network, so that we are replacing RC with K times of R. Whenever you are replacing in this way, at that time frequency of oscillations generated is going to be given by this one, 1 by 2 pi RC square root of 4K plus 6, 4K plus 6, and this is for this one capacitor resistor combination. It looks like a high pass filter. Whenever the capacitor resistors are going to be interchanged, if it is resistor came in place of capacitor, capacitor return in place of resistor, that is low pass filter looks like. Then the frequency is going to be same, except this square root of 6 plus 4k will appear in the numerator. Okay, if r and c interchanged, at that time the square root of 4k plus 6 will appear in the numerator. So this is equation only for this network. Okay, the network consisting of RC high pass filter, remember that one, 3 stages of RC high pass filter. If then a feedback network consisting of 3 low pass filters, at that time square root of 4k plus 6 will appear in the numerator. And second one is nothing but HFE minimum. HFE minimum is going to be, okay, otherwise we can say like this, HFE should be greater than or equal to, HFE should be greater than or equal to 4k plus 23 plus 29 by k. This is also you can get from any textbook. So HFE minimum is going to be equal to 4k plus 23 plus 29 by k. Now these are the two important equations. These are the two important equations. This is what we require for this problem. So since k is equal to, k is defined as RC divided by R, both are going to be 1 kilo ohm only. So k value is going to be 1. Since k is equal to 1, okay, so f will become 1 by 2 pi RC into square root of 10. So 1 by 2 pi, R value is going to be known, R value is 1 kilo ohm, C value is 0.01 microfarad. If you are going to calculate this one, this you are going to be getting it as 5032.7 hertz, which is going to be approximately equal to 5 kilohertz. So the frequency of oscillations generated by this circuit is 5 kilohertz, and HFE minimum for this one, that is 4k plus 23 plus 29 by k, with k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 is nothing but 4 plus 23 plus 29. So total is nothing but 49, 52, 56. So HFE minimum for this circuit is 56 and the frequency of oscillations is 5 kHz. You can check about the derivations in any textbook. Thank you.